Hey guys, welcome back to Life of Randy. I'm Randy. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back. Happy New Year, Happy New You, Happy New Me. It is March. I know I have not been here in 3 months. I'm sorry. I was just so busy with my new baby. It's been great. It's been awesome, but it's also hasn't left me much time to come down and film. But hopefully, starting with this video, I'll be able to come back slowly but surely and be able to share with you guys. Now, you know, I could not have started the new year, or at least getting back to my channel, without sharing with you my new wig. As you saw in the title, I got a new wig. Don't roll your eyes. I'm so excited about this one. I've been wanting a curly wig for a minute now. I actually ordered this a couple months back and I just haven't gotten around to filming this. So I'm really excited. I actually held off on opening this box. So I haven't seen the wig. I have no idea what it looks like, what it's gonna look like on me, but I'm super excited about it. So let's get into it. As you know, I love Luvme Hair. Most of my wigs are from them. So anytime that I get a chance, I get a nice discount, I go for it. And they always have a discount on their website. If you just go on the website, shop Luvme Hair. If not, I'll just put it in the description. Don't worry about it. But if you go on their website, they usually have like a 25% off, 27% off. They always have a discount going on, so definitely check them out. We have our sweet little message from the founder. Enjoy your hair journey. I always like seeing this. It just makes me so excited. What? I got a gift card in this one. This is so cool. Oh snap, it's valid for 3 months. I hope that I didn't pass that. Oh man. This is so cool. See, this is why I keep buying from them, because they always get me something extra. All right, so the wig comes in these nylon bags, and I've told you guys before, this is how I keep my wigs. I have probably a dozen wigs, so I like to keep them organized, and these are great because then I don't have to buy them. I love Luvme Hair for this because they always send their wigs in these bags. It's great for traveling. It's great for keeping the wig away from any harsh environment. So these are great. But before we get into the wig, we're gonna get into this box. Along with the gift card, there is an elastic band that comes with the wig. Ooh, we have one of these combs. I don't know what they're called, but this is the type. If you have hair, I'm sure that you would love this, but also for the curls of the wig. So I'm excited about this comb. Then it comes with a little pouch. This is so cute. Let's see what's in it. Oh my. These lashes are humongous, but they're super cute. So these are gonna go to my sister. As you guys know, I don't wear lashes. Thanks for the lashes though. Ooh, next we have a scrunchie. Funny story, a lot of people actually don't think that I walk around with scrunchies, but I do, just because I have wigs. So I always have a scrunchie on me. Maybe that was a lie. I usually have a scrunchie on me, depending on the purse that I have. Ooh, we got some cute hoops. What? Let me take these out the bag. Guys, by the way, this whole time I've been filming, my son is just staring at me. He's like, what are you doing, mama? This is literally the first time that I film for Life of Randy, and he's just in his playhouse, just like staring. So if you guys hear him, that's why. He's like literally 3 feet away from me. So these are the hoops that it comes with. Super cute. Oh, I think this is like one of those phone holders. Oh yes, yes, yes. This is a phone holder. This is new. This is interesting. It's very cute. It's very sparkly. And then lastly, it comes with these. I'm not too sure what this is. Are they just fake nails? I don't know what I'm looking at. If you guys know what this is, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know. But yeah, it comes with this. So that was in my pouch. Now it's time to reveal the wig. My favorite part, showing you guys what is inside, and also for me to look at the wig and feel it for the first time. I always wait, and when I don't, I always let you guys know. So it's been a couple months since I ordered this wig and I received it, and I actually have not seen it since I ordered it from the website. So ooh. So yeah, so it came in the mesh. Sorry, I got excited, so I just took it out. So this is the wig out of the bag. So I'm just gonna shake it up a little bit. Isn't this beautiful? Oh my God, I'm so excited. So, fun story before I tried this wig on. I'm actually growing my hair back because my birthday is in November and I really want braids. I don't want a braided wig, I want braids. So I've been struggling with growing my hair for the past couple of months since the new year. And every couple of days, I'm like, it's time to shave. I don't want this anymore. I don't want to keep this. So I'm giving myself until at least June, and then if it's still looking like it's not really going to happen, I might just shave it all off, but I might just keep it because I really want braids for my birthday. So we'll see. So don't mind what's under here, is what I'm trying to say. This is the inside of the wig. We got a couple combs on the sides, and then we have one at the bottom. This is a 13x4 lace front wig. This wig is a 14-inch cinnamon spice compact frontal, and I'll have all the information of the wig and the link to it in the description. But hi. But this is what it looks like out of the bag. Yes, do you like it? So I'm going to try it on now. Yes, yes, we're trying it on. Ooh, I like this color on me. So this is what it looks like. Hold on, let me fix it up a little bit. So this is what it looks like out of the bag. Obviously it's been in the box for a minute, so it has this like little bent portion here, but we'll fix that. And as usual, I love having the band inside of the wig. That's what I use to hook the back comb because I don't have hair. At least I didn't have hair. I don't usually have hair. So that's the best part of wearing these wigs when you're bald, because you can always make it work. And they always have that elastic band in the back that helps you hook on the wig even when you're bald. So that's why I always go to them. So first impressions, I love the color. I think that the color is very cute. I gravitate towards reds and things like that. So when I saw this wig on the mannequin, I was like, I have to have this wig. This wig needs to be mine yesterday. So I didn't think twice before I ordered this. I was so excited and I couldn't wait. And I was right. I'm loving this. So let me go and cut this and comb it, and I'll be right back to show you guys the final result. But this is it out of the box. It fits perfectly. This is like the perfect fit. I didn't even change the adjustments in the back, so it's literally like amazing. I always cut the lace off of my head. I don't know how people do it on their head. It just scares me too much. Does it scare you, buddy? There you have it, guys. This is my Spicy Cinnamon Wig. So consensus in my house is that it looks so different, and that's what I was going for because I've never had a wig this color. And also the texture, I've never had a wig this texture, and it was so easy to style. I literally just put some water and curling gel in there, and you can, I'll come closer for you guys to see my struggle baby hairs, but don't judge me. So what I did was I cut the lace, then I applied some concealer, and then I cut some of the baby hair. This is pre-plucked. Most, if not all of their wigs are pre-plucked. You can pluck it more. I'm not as confident to pluck my own hairline, but I'll just go with whatever they give me and I make it work. So I actually cut a little bit more of the baby hairs for this hairline, and I shape them with some Got2b gel. I use the yellow one, in case you're wondering, because I would always wonder which one it would be. And I do this off camera because it takes me so long and so many trials and error, but this is what it ends up looking like. This wig is so flowy. It feels so natural. I feel like I just finished my co-wash or something. This is great. The texture, the feel, it's not too heavy. It's nice and light. The curls are super bouncy. I love it. I hope that you guys enjoy this as much as I do. I'm actually going out now and my husband is waiting for me, so, but I am in love. I love this wig. I love the curls. I love the fiery color. I like the spiciness of it all. I think that this is a very nice wig and you guys should try it out. I love this. I don't know, am I the only one? Let me know in the comments. Are you guys feeling this wig? Should I rock it more? What colors do you think I should rock it with? So right now I'm wearing black. I'm wearing all black leggings and top. So this is what it looks like. But what colors do you guys think would match with this? Let me know down in the comments. Guys, it feels so good to be back. I'm so glad you guys stayed till the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you guys don't miss any new videos. I will try my hardest to be there every week and drop new videos. I will get a little bit more raw with you guys, and I will get a little bit more serious when it comes to being a bald woman, enjoying life and enjoying wigs. So if you guys are ready for this, definitely subscribe and definitely hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.